Today we're showing you a 2015 Massey Ferguson 4609 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab heat and air. Tractor has just under 700 hours on it. We traded the tractor in locally here. It's a nice, clean, good running tractor. No known issues with the machine. Cosmetics are excellent on it. Paint's nice and bright, as you can see here. Glass is good in the cab. Has the mirrors and the work lights up front here. Tires are good. Has the mid valve. If you want to add a loader to the tractor, you certainly can do so. Rear tires are good as well. Rear work lights back here. Got double remotes. Tractor is capable of 540 and 1000 PTO. Has the extendable 3-point arms. Stabilizer bars on both sides. Top link and drawbar are both with the machine. It's a nice, clean tractor. If you're looking for a tractor to maybe do some baling or anything to that nature, very nice fit. Nice suspension seat here for the operator. Has tilt steering wheel. Left-hand power reverser allows you to change direction without clutching. 12-speed transmission. You have 6 gears on the larger lever here, and then the short lever here you have 2 ranges, so it gives you a total of 12 different speeds. And again, it does have the loader control in it, so if you do want to add a loader in the future, you certainly can do so. And then all your 3-point PTO and hydraulic controls located directly to the right of the seat. Up top you have some light switches, climate controls, and also your radio. Just a nice, clean tractor. Again, just under 700 hours on it. Paint's in great shape. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at massedtractor.com.